Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to teach you really quickly how you can set a task in your Asana workspace to public to make it visible, for example, to all of your workspace members and not only to yourself or to a list of private selected team members. So let us get started right away and show you how to do that. It is actually very simple. Head over to your workspace on Asana and head over to My Tasks here on the left panel to get a better overview of all of your ongoing or already completed tasks in your workspace. And after that, simply click on the task you would like to customize and edit. So let me go with task number 4 for demonstration purposes. And usually, guys, tasks that you create are set to private on default. You will see that information in the top right. This task is private to you. So guys, what you want to do, guys, is simply change its visibility or status by clicking on Make Public. This is going to make it visible to everyone in your workspace. And that's basically it. Now the task is visible to all your workspace members, and yeah, that's basically it. You may set it back to private if you like, if you would like to be the only one having access to it. So guys, that's basically it. That's how it works. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time.